Hi, this is Stu Bruce from Washington College. I'm going to give a short lab demonstration for Module B of our Introduction to Spatial Analyst exercise. From the data that you downloaded from the site, you should go ahead and open up the Module B ARC scene document, and you should see the scene that you're looking at here. Kind of looks exactly like Module A, with the exception that we do have some points here instead of the building polygons. If you go ahead and zoom in on those, like so, you'll see that we just have little points at the center of the different buildings that are here. And we're going to learn a little bit about symbology and doing 3D symbols. So the first thing we're going to do is come over to the scene layers in the table of contents, go ahead and click on the point in order to open up the symbol selector. You can see that you can certainly modify the color of the points. You can modify the size of the points. If I hit OK, see how I quickly change that. Reopen this up again. So next what we want to do is, although you might be tempted to go ahead and add a 3D vehicle immediately, I want you to go ahead and click the Edit Symbol button here. Click Edit Symbol, and we can go ahead and change our type to a 3D simple marker symbol. And when we do that, we want to go ahead and set the style to tetrahedron, and we can go ahead and change the color to something bright like that. There's certainly a lot of options here to modify this particular symbol. First off, you can rotate the symbol right here in our 3D preview. If you turn off the keep aspect ratio, you can actually increase the size or dimensions of the symbol. In fact, you can make it look pretty wonky if you want to. Go ahead and play around with those a little bit. You go ahead and click OK to apply, and click OK again. And then you can use the navigate button. You can kind of rotate around, sort of see what your symbols look like. You have a lot of options in the symbol selector under edit symbol. You can really change to different symbol sets. You can pick different shapes, cubes, cones, etc. If you go ahead and change to from the 3D simple, you can change to the 3D sort of like character marker symbol. And once you do this, you have a lot of options to pick from. This is pretty boring right here, but if you click the character button, then pick any kind of character that you wanted to. I can make it a big plus sign. Pretty much any shape that you could conceive of is possible to create a 3D symbol for. So I ended up settling on a hydrant, and I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and then click OK. And really all we're asking for this exercise in terms of uploading is just export out a 2D scene, export 2D, and kind of upload and show me what kind of crazy symbol out of 3D that you were able to make for this exercise.